smell. Hey guys, say hello to the beast. Say hello to my swoosh look. I've left this a bit wet on this side, dry on this side, and then a little bit showing off the colours at the front. Does the hair system smell? Back in the 90s, I brought this up a few times. Yeah, it did, right? When I used to go for my refusions, it was called at the place I went to, and it's bonded for, not bonded, I was on a bead attachment initially, and then that's quite funny actually. Do you know the parachutes that come up? Yeah, right, and you can see them come up with the strings, and it's going down like this. Well, that's what the bead attachment was like on the 4th or 5th week, because it gets so loose. It would you could almost lift it off your head. Oh crikey, vanity, eh? Whew. Right, so yeah, so it did. I was conscious of it when I came to the refusion and it was taken off. I don't think my head ponged, but it did smell. And reasons: bulky system. The adhesive, even though I was using a form of a liquid tape at the front, I'm sure it's been formulated better. I don't know what was going on back then, really, to be fair. So yeah, it was unpleasant, and I did bring it up to the stylist. She said some people it does smell. So right, so before that puts off lots of people that spend lots of time on YouTube trying to find a reason to be put off, things have improved, right? All the adhesive. It's formulated for the skins, so it doesn't affect the natural bacteria and so forth. But let's go to the logical reasons why if someone comes back here to Hair for All for their regroom and there's an odour, pretty much it's going to be not doing something right, yeah, based on now the development of all the products, right? So this is why I like lace-based systems, because for the young guys keeping fit and so forth, it does breathe, right? And the skin ones is sealed for 4 weeks if people wear it for that long, and then the lace fronts. If I wore one for 4 weeks with the lace fronts and I took it off, I expect there's going to be an odour, but it is contained. Is it going to be any effect to the scalp? I'm in a better position than pretty much anyone to tell you that, for all the amount of people we've got here. No, right? The answer to that is because I see it regularly when people come back here. But going back to the lace systems, it does give a better chance for your scalp to be cleansed. So the logical reasons is you're not washing the hair system correctly. That I'm adamant the way I do it is the correct way. With a brush it forward, shower on top, brushing it so it don't do any of this, don't do all this massaging which I've seen, not on Hair for All systems, guys. That's just gonna, if I did that for 5 minutes, right, why wouldn't it be naughty? If I got Judy down and did that to her hair for 5 minutes, why wouldn't it be naughty? Why do we want knots in the hair system? So, you know, even if a client of mine, why, right, come over because you can see how good they look, but you know, copy that, use the brushing forward and so forth, and the chances of everything being cleansed more with this is obvious, yeah? Water, brush, feeling it go through, and the more that's done, the less chance there is of any odour. If I'm just trying to think now, and obviously I wouldn't name a client that comes back, but none of the clients, none of the stylists, we got a few, have come back in and said, you know, Mr. It's got an odour problem. So we're using all the products that Always Walkers and Always Pro Labs for me. Been with them for a long time. So look, guys, if you overdo products like waxes and you don't wash it off, it's a good chance it might smell. Doesn't that happen to normal hair? I don't know. I've been like that for a few years now. But just logical stuff, yeah? There is antibacterial stuff that you can use, shampoos. I am had to use it on any clients. And you know, without giving too much away, we see a lot, gratefully, a lot, that come here and have fittings and regrooms, you know? So, all logical, brush your hair normal, rinse it properly and correctly, and I'm sure everything will be fine. So, does it smell? 90s? Yes. Does it smell now? Done correctly? No. Okay? Take care guys, see you next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.